Welcome, here I've got LG K50s and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on useful features category. Here at the first place we have cheese shutter, so this is kind of voice control at this camera, and it allows us to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords like cheese, smile, whiskey, kimchi or LG. By using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on, let's go back to the camera and let me try to take a picture now by saying, for example, whiskey. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.